All right, all right, all righty, all right. What is going on, everybody? If you're watching on the replay, leave a comment saying hashtag team replay. If you're watching live, comment hashtag team live. Make sure you stay all the way to the end so you get all the information and you listen to everything. Please leave lots of comments and let me know what's going on. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? My name is Pete, but you probably already knew that. But in case you didn't, you guys are watching the one, the only Paid to Drive. One of the only channels on YouTube trying to put a little bit more of that money right there back in your pocket in so many ways. Shout out to Beezy. What's going on, everybody? I hope you're all having a great Friday out there. TGIF. This is a follow-up to the video that I made last night. And let me just tell you, the reaction to that video was overwhelming. Okay? First and foremost, we have about 50 people here. Of course, let's see if we can go for 100 likes on this video on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Smash that like down below. Turn the gray like into a blue like. Comment 111 if you did that. 222 if you didn't yet. What's up to everybody in the chat? Say what's up. First and foremost, were you affected by the incorrect DoorDash earnings? Comment 333 for yes. Comment 444 for no, or if you're not sure. Okay, so last night after I posted this video, shortly after I went to sleep, I woke up the next morning and I had an email and a text message from Alan Christensen. You guys remember Alan? If you remember Alan Christensen, comment Alan, A-L-L-E-N, so I know, in the chat, in the comments, okay? He gave us some very easy, quick, and sound advice about how to follow up with this. If you contact DoorDash, they're kind of going to give you the runaround, according to what Alan is saying. Now, Alan was an ex-employee of DoorDash, not just a driver, an actual ex-employee that worked in the offices, okay? So if I trust anyone, I trust him. If you don't want to believe me and you don't want to believe him, then totally understandable, okay? So this is what he said. And I believe he's actually making his first YouTube video either today or tomorrow, and I'll link that down below in the description once he sends it to me, where he's going to explain a little bit more about this. But I wanted to get this out to you first because I've been getting emails and messages ever since last night. I even had somebody tell me last night, I don't believe you, I don't trust you, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, well, you're only one person out of 18,000, so I think we're doing the right thing here. So needless to say, that person is no longer welcome on the channel. But with that being said, this is what Alan told me. He says, Pete, I just caught your video. For everyone you know that got falsified 1099 forms, tell them to go to irs.gov immediately and report that. I mean immediately. Just so you could see this, I'm trying to hide the email here. Can you guys see this right here? All right. So it says, if they contact DoorDash, the company will not do anything. They're criminals. They'll just argue it. The IRS website has a specific place where people can report companies falsifying taxes in any way, as long as they have proof. I don't feel like that's a glitch at all. That's something sketchy. Comment 333 if you agree with what he said. Comment 444 if you disagree with what he said. But if you disagree, which you're totally entitled to, please say why. Okay? Guys, let me tell you something. When this was brought to my attention yesterday, all I could do was shake my head. All I could do is shake my head. And the reason for that is in my almost 3 years in this gig economy, because we're, I guess, what, 2.5 or a little more, I have never seen anything like this. How the hell could a billion-dollar company do something like this? I don't get it. I don't understand. I don't understand how they can live with themselves doing this. And what this should show you, for all of you out there who have always said, Pete, you're just a DoorDash hater. You hate DoorDash. No, I don't. I don't at all. And Cass K, I'm going to put that in the description down below. It's irs.org. All you got to do is go to your web browser on your phone or your computer, type in irs.org. So internalrevenueservice.org. That's it. 3 letters. .org, and you'll be good to go. Go on there, submit a ticket or whatever it is on there. and make sure you follow up. Okay. Yes. No, it's .org. .gov. Excuse me. Not. Thank you, Mario. I'm sorry, Mario. I gotta make you a mod. Everyone, please welcome Mario Alegria to our PTD mod squad. And if you have a blue wrench next to your name, comment hashtag PTD mod squad. Excuse me. IRS.gov, not .org. Forgive me. I'm sorry. IRS.gov.gov. I'm sorry. I'm a little flustered right now. I'm a little tired. I'm a little wired. Does anybody remember that? Gone in 60 Seconds, the remake with Nicolas Cage. But yes, please go to irs.gov, okay, and please submit a ticket or whatever the form is on there. I'm not exactly 100% sure, but I'm just going by what Alan is saying. I'm just passing the information on to you. I do not claim to be an expert on taxes. I do not claim to be an expert on any of these gig apps. I'm just another driver like you, sharing information and experiences so that you guys can make your next move in the gig economy. That's as simple as it is. Thank you to Randy Love for bringing that to my attention. Okay? But seriously, I really hope that some of my haters out there can reconsider my channel and say, you know, maybe Pete actually was looking out for us, because that's all I've ever wanted to do. Don't listen to what other people are saying about me. It's nonsense. It's complete and utter nonsense. Okay? What would I get out of steering you in the wrong direction or giving you the wrong information? Doesn't make any sense to me. Doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't make any sense to you. It would be a waste of my time. I wouldn't even be bothered doing this. It's pointless. Okay? Do not let companies like this take advantage of you. Because for those of you who missed the video last night, let me put this in perspective for you, okay? If you make $5,000, let's say you do this part-time. Let's say, who's a full-timer on DoorDash and who's a part-timer? Comment it in the chat. Comment it in the comment section down below. And by the way, guys, we are going for 100 likes. We've got 71 people. Can you all smash that like button down below? Comment 111 if you smashed the like, 222 if you haven't yet. Jimmy, did you have any issues with the IRS? Did they contact you at all? Let me know. So, what's up, Florida Mark? What's up, Rideshare Lisa? Everybody in the chat. So, if you make $5,000, let's say you're a part-time driver and within a year's time you make $5,000, right? DoorDash sends you a 1099 or you request it or print it out or whatever, and it says you made $8,000. Now, you have to pay roughly, what, 30% or 30% in taxes. You have to owe that money back to the government. For those of you who don't want to pay your taxes and stuff, again, it's your prerogative. It's on you. I do not recommend that. Let me repeat. I do not recommend you do not pay your taxes. I would try and reach out to an H&R Block or, one of the, what do you call it? I don't even know what those software things are that you can do your taxes with. What is it? Quicken or TurboTax or whatever it is. Consult somebody. Okay? Consult somebody about it. But if DoorDash says you made $8,000 and then you actually made $5,000, the government is going to expect 30% on $8,000. Okay? They are not going to expect the $5,000 that you actually made. But what bewilders me here is, why the heck did this even happen? And it's not like it just happened to one or two people. I've had like 50 people say that this actually happened to them. I don't understand what there is to gain, but I have a theory, and I'm sure I'm going to be blasted for this theory. My theory is, because DoorDash knows that they've been under so much scrutiny later, and keep in mind, this is my opinion, this is not a fact, this is an opinion, okay, and my guess. DoorDash knows they've been underpaying people for like years now, okay? So it almost seems like they want to inflate what is on the paper, on the paperwork or on the documents or whatever for the drivers, saying, well, if they made $5,000 with this many hours, it makes us look bad. So let's inflate that a few $1,000s so it makes it look like they actually made more. So then who gets screwed up? The driver does. DoorDash doesn't get screwed up. But do you know how many people have told me? Do you know how many people have told me that this is considered fraud, tax fraud? This is huge. Huge, huge, huge. Please share this video with other drivers. Please let them know what's going on. You're an independent contractor with no employees, so it's 9% on average for federal taxes. My accountant told me it was roughly like 30%, but it's not my account, it's the accountant that my family uses, and she's like my aunt, basically, you know what I mean? She's a family friend, like, you know, I've known her ever since I was born, you know? So she does the taxes for free for us and everything. She's really, really great. And I've never had an issue, you know what I mean? Actually, 1 year I got money back. I think it was my first year doing GrubHub, I got money back, which was crazy. But whatever the case is, I don't know what else to do at this point. But like I said, let me read this short email from Alan Christensen one more time. And guys, comment 111 if you smash that like, 222 if you haven't yet. We've got 83 people watching. Thank you so much. Let's see if we can get 10 more likes right now. Comment 111 if you smash the like, 222 if you haven't yet. On the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. So Alan said, Pete, I just caught your video. For everyone you know that got falsified 1099 forms, tell them to go to irs.gov, not .org. .gov, irs.gov immediately and report that. File a report. And he says, I mean immediately, and he puts it all in caps. If they contact DoorDash, the company will not do anything. They're criminals. They'll just argue it. The IRS website has a specific place where people can report companies falsifying taxes in any way as long as they have proof. I don't feel like it's a glitch at all. That's something sketchy. Alan. Okay. So, like I said also earlier, Alan, I think, is going to be posting a video a little later on his channel, which I will link on here. I'll put it in our Facebook group, the Delivery Driver Lounge. Make sure you guys sign up. It's free. Comment 999 if you are signed up on the Facebook group, the Delivery Driver Lounge. Comment 101010 if you're not yet. Link is in the description down below. Answer the quick questions when you sign up. Otherwise, you're going to get denied. The moderators are told not to approve anyone who doesn't fill out the questions. And like I said, he's going to maybe explain a little bit more about what you have to do. And yes, if you made under $600, you don't have to worry about filing the taxes. If it is over $600, then you have to file taxes. That's right. Thank you for mentioning that. Yes. Also, I'm assuming all 82 of you are subscribed here with the notifications on. Comment 777 in the chat if you're subscribed here with the notifications on. Comment 888 if you're not yet. So it's free. You know, subscribe to the channel. You can unsubscribe at any time if you don't like me anymore. But anyway, guys, we're going to also talk about this more on my second channel, the Pay to Drive Vlogs, aka the PTD Vlogs. Comment 555 if you're subscribed there, 665 if you have no idea what I'm talking about. Link is in the description down below, or do a quick YouTube search, PTD Vlogs, VLOGS. And also, final thing, you guys know what I'm going to say. At least if this is happening, at least start saving money on your gas with the Get Upside Gas app. It's a free download. Link is in the description for any kind of phone. Download the app, pump your gas, print out a receipt, and take a picture of the receipt with your phone. And within 48 hours or so, they'll send you anywhere from 15 cents to 45 cents a gallon back, which is fantastic. If a friend or a family member signs up using your code, you will get paid every time that they pump gas. It's called Get Upside, links in the description. And that's it for me, guys. I will see you guys tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern, 8 o'clock Pacific, either for a PTD Power half hour or a 15-minute video. What's up, Arturo? And guys, please let me know if this was helpful for you. Comment helpful or not helpful. If it wasn't helpful, I'm sorry if you felt your time was wasted. But this is a serious thing, and I'm looking out for you guys. That's all I've ever wanted to do. Please don't listen to anybody else that tells you otherwise. This is my only goal, okay? So, on that note, thank you to Alan Christensen. Thank you to all of you guys watching. Arturo, keep it to yourself. But yes, smash that like down below. We're going for 100 thumbs up. And please make sure that you share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Get that money, get that honey. Keep hustling and keep bustling. Comment banana shoes if you made it to the end. Flood the chat, flood the comments. And thanks for watching right here on Paid to Drive. We'll see you on the vlog after this, guys. Have a great one. Peace. IRS.gov. Go file the report.